Done. Shift change, baby. Need to turn my box in.
Okay.
What up, Tool Crib? Take this thing off my hands. Oh, hang on a second. No.
How was your day?
Good, man. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You got
I think I might be missing a rack. Let me,
checked your pockets?
yeah, nah, I don't put tools in my pockets, man. Let me check the job site.
Two hours later.
Tool Crib, I've looked everywhere for that rack. Are you sure that you gave me 5 to start with?
Do you know how to count?
Yeah, I know. I counted.
Maybe
I
you
just
shouldn't
did it.
count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Happens all the time.
All right. Here's the key.
All right, thank you.
See you next shift.
Idiot.